How to get subscribers on Fanvue. All right, so we're jumping right into it, guys, today. So with so many of my clients, they're always trying to figure out how they can get subscribers on Fanvue. And I'm going to be giving you some of the tips that I give to my one-to-one paid coaching clients. Now, the biggest thing that I want to say right out the gate is that you do not need to get subscribers on Fanvue to make money. You could still be making money with all of the followers on Fanvue if you know how to run and manage your page correctly, okay? So we're going to be going a little bit of that over that in this video, but the real information is always going to be in the coaching course. So you always want to check that out in the video description down below. It is good for every single platform because the basis and structure of how you are going to be running your site is the same across the board from Fanvue to Fansly to OnlyFans, okay? Because again, you do not need subscribers to make real money, all right? So now let's get into it. The number one thing that I realized on Fanvue that automatically got me followers and a subscriber was setting up my intro video. I do not understand why so many of you are sleeping on some of these capabilities that these platforms give you. And on Fanvue, they give you the option to create an intro video that would be on your wall unlocked. So that way you can really connect and personalize your page with the fans and the traffic that are going to be onto your page. And on top of it, when you make that intro video, they actually push out that intro video onto the platform so you get found on the platform. Hence, as soon as I put my intro video, I ended up getting a bunch of followers and subscribers. So this is something that you guys need to do, okay? Do not sleep on this. Don't think that it's not something that you want to do. Oh, I don't want to give them any more free content than what they're going to get. Absolutely not. This is a business. You guys should know that at this point. And if you do not, Fanvue, OF, Fansly, these are all online businesses at this point, okay? And you have to treat it as such, which you kind of are because you're on my video, you're learning, okay? Investing in yourself, investing in your knowledge, investing in my video course, investing in coaching with somebody, if it doesn't even have to be me, is you realizing that this is a business. It's investing in a business. You need to invest to make. So with that being said, you are not giving free content by making that intro video, because I have had one-to-one coaching clients that have told me, oh, well, I didn't make it because, I didn't want to give them free stuff. You're not going to be giving your exclusive content. This is just an intro video saying, hey, how are you? I am blank, blank, blank. So excited for you to subscribe or follow me. Give a little bit about your niche, about yourself, what they can expect on your page. And this increases your conversion rate to get subscribers on Fanvue. But again, you don't even need to get subscribers on Fanvue to make money. We are still looking to even just get followers on Fanvue, all right? So in the video, we are going to be discussing how to get subscribers, but the reality is when you understand how to really manage your page correctly, you'll love even those followers as well, because you'll know what to do to be able to milk and drain even those followers to make money out of them. But with that being said, even though you have the capabilities of being found on Fanvue, that does not mean that you cannot kind of work on your page and be self-promoting, okay? A lot of you may not understand that. Again, my one-to-one coaching clients and even my mentoring clients when I first take them on, because it's, a lot of them are newbies. I take them from newbies to pro in just 30 days, and the course is the same thing. Their biggest thing when they first start out is that, oh, I just opened up my account and I only have a few followers, no subscribers. What's going on? Or I only have one subscriber. As much as there is some type of discoverability on Fanvue, you still need to be self-promoting. You still need to be marketing and advertising yourself to get subscribers on Fanvue. So I am going to be placing a lot of videos on this video in the cards with a lot of these examples and ideas that I will be giving you, but in-depth further videos, okay? So after this video, you are gonna hop onto the tagged videos that are on this video to go and watch them so you can really understand how you are going to be extensively self-promoting, marketing, advertising on these platforms that we're going to be discussing for you to get those subscribers on your Fanvue page, okay? So the first one that I always recommend is Reddit. Reddit is a little tricky. I understand a lot of my one-to-one clients, when they reach out to me on Instagram, again, my Instagram link is always in the video description down below. When they reach out to me for my services, the first thing that they kind of always say is, I don't understand Reddit. It's super confusing. And I just kind of gave up. Well, there is, I'm getting a little tongue-tied, there is an extensive video for Reddit that I have that I will be taking on this video, so go and watch it. But the number one thing that I want to say is that if you do not have a Reddit account, as soon as this video is done, I want you to go open up an account right away. Even if you are not convinced of kind of working on that platform just yet, the biggest thing on Reddit is your cake day, which is your account age, and your karma points, which is kind of like points that they give you for being an active member on the platform. These two things matter on the platform. But even if you do not know if you're going to start on Reddit just yet, having the account sitting there and accumulating some cake day, some age of the account is beneficial for you, not for me. So go do this for yourself and your business. But Reddit is a great place to start because number one, who cares about your follower count on Reddit? Literally all of my clients that are starting from zero, starting from scratch, I still push them to Reddit because it doesn't matter if you have a big following or not. What matters is you getting into the right communities on Reddit to get yourself and your Fanvue page out there, okay? So number one, to get subscribers to Fanvue is by going on to Reddit, promoting yourself on Reddit, and getting into specific communities and groups that are specific to you. There is thousands and thousands and thousands, I can't even tell you, probably up to 1 million at this point, of Reddit groups on Reddit that are so niche specific. So I will be into a brunette group, right? Tattooed girls, busty girls, curvy girls. There is so many different types of groups for specific niches. If you're a Latina, if you're a MILF, like literally anything. I'm Greek. There's also a thing for Greek women, brown-eyed women. So many different groups for your specific niche, which helps you get in front of a laser-focused, targeted audience, which is what we want when we're promoting ourselves, because that increases our chances of getting subscribers on our Fanvue because they are interested in somebody like us. The second platform that you guys should really get onto right now is Blue Sky. So if you have already been on my channel, you know that I have an extensive video for Blue Sky. So again, that will be linked on this video to go watch it. But Blue Sky is actually created by the original owners of Twitter X. If you don't know, Twitter X was bought out by Elon Musk. So the original creators of Twitter X made a new platform now called Blue Sky, but it is literally the same exact concept and outline, I guess you can say, I can't think of the word in English, just like Twitter X. But the difference is that it's not saturated like Twitter X is. So many of my clients that my team and I are doing their social media management for Blue Sky are getting such amazing results for our clients because this is such a less competitive website, but still has a really good active user kind of group. Okay. My clients are getting so much engagement, so much likes, so much reskeets on the actual platform. So this is really where you should be putting a lot of your focus on in the beginning, if you are starting from scratch as well, because of the fact that it is less competitive, but there is really good high quality active users because the platform has also not been saturated by spammers, scammers, and bots, like unfortunately Twitter X is. Not saying you cannot grow on Twitter X because that is still a recommendation. That is where all of my social media management work is because we get such great results for our clients. But when you are super newbie and you do not have the funds to hire someone like myself and my team to help you grow your business, Blue Sky is definitely the best alternative to that. The biggest thing I want to mention before we get any further into the video is your link. Okay, I cannot explain to you how many clients will purchase my page audits, or when I'm taking on a mentoring client, I will go extensively onto their social medias and pages, and I will go and I will check out every single page that they have. I will audit everything for them. And the number one thing I see is that you guys are sharing dead links. How are you going to get subscribers on your Fanvue page if they can't even get to your Fanvue page? And this is honestly something I see across the board for Fansly, for OF as well. It's not just you guys on Fanvue, but this literally takes 2 seconds of your time, which is just to make sure that the link that is in your bio is correct and gets your traffic to the correct page that you want them to get to. If not, you are never going to get subscribers, followers, or even traffic to your page if you aren't sending them to the correct place, right? It seems super simple, but I cannot tell you how many clients end up kind of making and doing this mistake. So do not fall for this. To get those subscribers, you need to make sure that you're sending them to the correct page to convert them into subscribers. And after this is making sure that your Fanvue page is optimized correctly, okay? You have to understand that your page, the initial page, that all of the traffic that you will be funneling from your social media pages, when they fall onto your Fanvue page and they first see your picture and your bio, this is where you are going to either have them subscribe, follow, or they're just going to leave. Because at the end of the day, even if they follow you for free, it doesn't mean that everybody is going to follow you if your page is not optimized correctly. And this is why my page audits are highly sought after and one of my best sellers, because you have to understand that this is your advertisement, okay? This is your weekly circular. This is the weekly newsletter of your business on what they see as soon as they get to your page. And if your page is not optimized correctly, you're not going to get subscribers and you won't even get followers, even though they're going to end up following for free. Because just because it's free, it doesn't mean they'll follow if your page is not enticing enough. So please, guys, pay attention to your content. At this day and age, with the digital era that we're in, content does matter. You want to have good lighting. You want to be able to see your pictures, that you're centered, that they know what they're looking at. So many times when I'm doing page audits, I'm looking at profile pictures and I don't even know what the heck I'm looking at. Am I looking at a leg, an arm, a face? Because it's so dark, or they're using those different color ring lights, but it's still super dark, red, blue, you don't even know. You are the product. They want to see you. So make sure that your profile picture, your banner is going to have good lighting, good content, that intro video. Do not sleep on that. And then your bio, okay? You want to make that as enticing as possible. You want to have something about your niche in that first and second sentence. And then after that, you're never going to do a whole chunk of a paragraph. You're going to skip a line, and then you're going to list off some of the amazing things that they are going to be able to find on your page. Now, in the video coaching course, I go over 12 different ways how you can make money on your Fanvue page outside of subscriptions. So you need to understand that there is a plethora of different ways for you to make money on Fanvue outside of just having someone subscribe to your page. Even again, those followers, you can make money, but you want to make sure that your bio and your profile is enticing to where they're going to want to follow and they're going to want to subscribe, because you are offering services and extra things on your page that they are looking for. I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys to be getting subscribers to your Fanvue page. Now, some of these things are so important, even though they may seem small, but I have been an online entrepreneur now for over 8 years in sales and marketing. And these little subtle subliminal cues that you may not pay attention to and overlook is the kind of fine line between, are you going to get subscribers, or are they going to end up kind of falling off your page once they land onto your page, okay? So if you have any questions, comment down below, reach out to me on IG for one-to-one help, or go enroll in the video coaching course right away that is in the video description down below so you can start growing your Fanvue page immediately. Until next time.